Yeah, and one of the beautiful things about the technology and the people that have been in the, I would say the real grind of it for years, they have been working to create platforms that allow for onboarding that are low code or no code in some cases. So there's a lot of opportunity now for those platforms, as the cost is a real concern for many organizations, from SMEs to enterprise to, you know, the little mom and pop, to have access points to be able to utilize blockchain, where you're not having to have the cost lift of creating your own blockchain or really bearing the full development costs. You're actually being able to access the utility on a platform that gives you that usability of blockchain without having the heavy lift that has previously been necessary to really integrate blockchain into your business processes. So that's something that we're seeing more and more of, and I think is really going to help facilitate the adoption cycle as we work through this. I'm not going to call it a post-COVID world, because I don't think we're going to have a post-COVID world, but we're going to have a post-lockdown world, hopefully, in the near future. And as we adjust to the new, I think blockchain is going to be part of the picture, and not cost prohibitive as we move forward.
David, if I could.
Can I just say something? This is Nish Kotecha. I'm a co-founder of Finboot, and we are actually one of those middleware solutions based in London and Barcelona that enables blockchain adoption with no code reconfiguration. We focus in the enterprise space. But the point I wanted to make on digitization journeys of enterprises that we are seeing, sometimes, sometimes a crisis wakes people up, and this crisis is waking people up. They realize that actually sending out people to look at what's happening in remote locations is no longer the viable option. And digitization needs to improve. And as part of that digitization journey, blockchain is very much a core tool. Point Linda made is very valid. It needs to become low cost. It needs to become quick implementations. So, creating a blockchain over a course of a year, going through a pilot, investing in a long drawn out process is not on the table. But doing it in a matter of days or weeks, testing it out and growing it from an agile solution into a full production is very much on the cards. And that's what we are seeing. But it's got to be a sustainable investment.